Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Geeta Thakur. I welcome you to your own channel Elevate English with Geeta ma'am. Today I am just going to tell you about the importance of colors, that how colors plays vital roles in everyone's life. When it comes to colors, so without colors we can't imagine our life, and colors are essential part which gives happiness and which gives satisfaction, that tells you about your personality, that what kind of people you are. So let's dive into colors. So first thing first, I just want to tell you that what is my favorite color. When it comes to colors, so my favorite color is blue. Blue is the particular one, as blue is the color of education as well. So I love to be educated every time. And another thing is that this color has a vital role because it shows divinity, and it shows vastness, and it is full of deepness. Our sky is blue, that shows that how much clarity is there. And when it comes to another quality of blue shade, so blue is sometimes means every time blue is deep in thoughts. So in this way it just express your quality, whatever colors do you love. And apart from that, when it comes to my favoritism about colors, so I love all the colors, mostly those are vibrant. I hardly love dull shade, I mostly love vibrant shade. And these all shades are part and parcel of my life. When it comes to colors, so there are so many colors like red, blue, yellow, green, white. What I am saying, I know you know well about all. But I think you would not know that what is the significance of these colors. So I'm just going to tell you that when it comes to yellow color, so yellow color tells us about your energy. If there is something yellow, so it shows that how energetic you are, and how you can what kind of personality you are having. And when it comes to green color, so green color shows and shows your prosperity. It is a symbol of prosperity and nature earth. The person who loves green color, they are very close to nature earth. And it gives you sensation of satisfaction, because the person who is ground to earth, so they are very lovable of nature. And when it comes to white shade, so white shade, as you know that white color is a symbol of peace. And when we are talking about peace, so peace has great role in our life. We always need peace of mind, and peace of spirituality, and peace of our every work. So if there is no peace, there is no satisfaction, so you are not feeling good in your life. So somewhere whenever we think that we are tired, so that time if we see something that is white, like white flowers, white roses, white colors, white outfits, so it just soothes your soul. That is why it connects us from life. So white colors has a particular role in the field of colors, yes. And when we are talking about others colors, so like orange is a color of empathy. Sorry, orange is a color of appetite. It tells us that if somewhere we see this color red, orange, so that time we feel that it is just activating our appetite. You would have seen mostly in restaurant, you would find orange, blue and yellow shade. because these shades are full of energy. It just enhance your appetite, and it gives you sensation to make you cheerful. Yes. And when it comes to black, it tells us something different about one's personality. The person who loves black color, they are very different. They love to do something dynamic in their life. It shows their personality in positive way. And it is also said that it is the color of negativity also, but it is differ from man to man, person to person, because some person love this color, and just to boost their energy, feel confident when they wear black, as black is smart. But when it comes to spirituality and other rituals, so that time we think that black is not good, because somewhere it just release negativity. So that time it happens that we always try to mitigate this color from our life. Yes. And another thing, another color, I if I am not forgetting, so that is golden one. When it comes to golden shade, so golden colors tells us that how happy you are, and what is the role of happiness you are, and how do you give value to the celebration in your life. The persons who are very happy with heart and soul, they always love to just share every happy moment with their friends and kith and kins. In this way, this golden color tells you about the happiness and about the spark of your life. Yes. And when it comes to another color, so that is silver. And silver colors always gives you peace, because it is the color of moon also. And moon, it tells us that what is the stage of your mind. Yes, it gives you calmness. So I love silver shade as well. Yes. When it comes to colors, so many colors are there, and we can't avoid any single one. Every colors has one particular significance. Yes, apart from that, there are many other colors that has a vast role in everyone's life. If they just want to know that what are those colors, so they have to think deeply about those colors. Do you know what are those colors? Those colors are love, friendship, happiness, and brotherhood, and togetherness. Yes, so many colors are there. These are also are spiritual colors of your life. If you give a proper time to these colors, so these colors give you actual shade. It fills your life with fulfillment. Yes, I hope that you will love it. Bye bye, have a nice day.